journey to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I have to wanted. I want to. When you say, and all of us will feel this, if I want to lose weight, truly I want to lose weight. Not I am hoping. There's a huge difference. When I wake up in the morning and I look at myself in the mirror and I said, you know what, I don't like this. I am going to lose weight. 6 weeks later, you already lost at least a kilo. Because you wanted it. First one is, where are you with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Do you have a relationship? Is He someone you think of every day? And there is nothing wrong in your life. Everything going the way you want. Do you think of Him? Have you ever asked yourself when you are alone, what does Allah think of me? Who am I in His sight? Am I the person who is going to look at me and says, نِعْمَ الْعَبْدِ إِنَّهُ أَوَّابٌ? What a servant of Allah you are. You always return to me, as He said to Sayyidina Ayub. I don't know. But I need to at least throw these questions so I can start thinking. And number 2, do you really want the change? Do you really want to change? Do you really want to be this Muslim woman that when she walks on the street, she's so happy and proud and grateful to Allah that made her the Muslim woman the way she is, and it doesn't matter what they do to her, she's so happy. Are you that person? Do you want to be that person?